In this quick guide, we're diving into how to adjust pop-up positioning in Proof, so you can take control of your website's user experience and increase conversions with this powerful tool. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive offer you don't want to miss, giving you access to Proof for free with extra bonuses. To get started, after logging into your Proof account, you'll want to navigate to the campaign that you're working on. The first thing you'll see is the pop-up preview and editing interface. The key here is understanding where and how to adjust the position of your pop-ups so they appear exactly where you want them to on your page. You'll find the Position tab under the Settings section once you're in the campaign editor. From there, you'll notice a few different options. You can choose whether you want your pop-up to appear in the center of the screen, at the top, at the bottom, or even as a floating widget. The center option is great for capturing attention quickly, while top and bottom placements work well if you don't want to disrupt the page's main content too much. If you want even more control, you can use the Custom Position option. This allows you to adjust the exact pixel placement on the X and Y axis, which is especially useful if you want the pop-up to show up right next to an element on your page, like a CTA button or a form. Custom positioning is great for fine-tuning your strategy and optimizing your conversion flow. Once you choose your positioning, you can also control when and where the pop-up appears. For example, if you're targeting exit intent users, Proof lets you set the pop-up to show up when the user moves their mouse toward the browser's exit button, ensuring it appears right when it matters most. You can also customize the pop-up's animations and transition effects to make the pop-up feel less intrusive and more engaging. With smooth fades or slide-in effects, you can catch the visitor's eye without overwhelming them. One of the best features of Proof is its ability to track user interaction, so you can test different pop-up positions and see what works best for your audience. A/B testing is a game changer here, allowing you to compare two different versions of a pop-up to determine which one drives more conversions, all while adjusting the positioning and other settings. And don't forget mobile optimization. Proof automatically adjusts the positioning based on device size, but you can tweak it further for a more seamless mobile experience. It's all about making sure that no matter the device, your pop-ups are showing up where they'll have the most impact. Now that you know how to adjust pop-up positioning in Proof, remember you can start using the software for free with our exclusive bonuses through the first link below. Not only will you get full access to Proof's powerful features, but you'll also receive extra resources to maximize your digital marketing efforts. Thanks for watching. And don't forget that by using the link below, you get an extended free trial to Proof, making it easier than ever to optimize your website's conversion potential.